Welcome to Two Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Blockchain Traceability for Sustainable Agriculture. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. So, this project aims to enhance the authenticity and traceability of agricultural products using blockchain technology. Authenticity ensures that the products are genuine, while traceability tracks the product's journey from farm to consumer. Traditional methods of doing this rely on centralized systems which are prone to tampering, security breaches, and single point of failure, compromising trust and transparency. So, by implementing a decentralized blockchain system with Ethereum smart contracts and unique QR codes, we ensure data integrity and security. So, this solution benefits farmers, consumers, and administrators, promoting trust and sustainability in the agricultural supply chain. Now we'll know about blockchain technology. So, blockchain is like a digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Each data entry or block is linked by unique hashes, forming an immutable ledger. Blockchain offers several advantages. First, it is decentralized, meaning the data isn't stored in one vulnerable location. Second, it enhances security because the data is stored in an encrypted format that is very difficult to alter or hack. Third, it promotes transparency as all transactions are recorded and visible to authorized users. Fourth, it ensures data immutability, meaning once something is recorded in the blockchain, it can't be easily changed. Finally, it is resilient to failures because even if some nodes go down, others continue to maintain the data. So there are different types of blockchain like Ethereum, Stellar, Ripple, Bitcoin, etc. We are using Ethereum blockchain in this project. So Ethereum blockchain is used because of its support for smart contracts which streamline processes such as storing and retrieving hash addresses, ensuring data integrity without a central authority. Ethereum's decentralized nature enhances security by distributing data across multiple nodes, making tampering difficult. So, in this project, blockchain technology is integrated to ensure the authenticity and traceability of agricultural products. Smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain manage the secure storage and retrieval of product details, linking each entry to a unique QR code for verification. Data transactions are recorded as immutable blocks, with each block verifying the previous hash to maintain data integrity. So, this decentralized approach enhances security and availability, preventing tampering and single points of failure. Administrators, farmers, and consumers all interact with the blockchain to add, update, and verify product information, ensuring transparency and trust throughout the agricultural supply chain. And the project also integrates Ganache and MetaMask in this project. So, Ganache is a personal blockchain for Ethereum development used in the system. It provides a user friendly interface for deploying smart contracts, running tests, and inspecting blockchain states. Ganache tracks accounts, transactions, and smart contracts, offering detailed transaction information to aid debugging and ensure accuracy. It also allows developers to access and analyze specific block information, simplifying monitoring and verification processes. Coming to MetaMask, MetaMask, an Ethereum wallet and browser extension, simplifies cryptocurrency management and provides direct access to decentralized applications, that is, dApps. In this project, MetaMask ensures secure Ethereum transactions, showing the deduction of ETH as fees to promote transparency and maintain accuracy. Its ease of use facilitates interactions with blockchain applications, enhancing the overall user experience. Overall, The project aims to enhance the authenticity and traceability of agricultural products using blockchain technology. By implementing Ethereum smart contracts and unique QR codes, we ensure secure, tamper proof, and transparent product information. Beneficiaries include farmers who can manage and authenticate their products, consumers who can verify product authenticity and origin, and administrators who ensure the system's smooth operation and data integrity, promoting a more trustworthy agricultural supply chain. So, this is about the project. This is the overview. Now we'll look at the software and hardware requirements to execute this project. Software requirements are Python ideally of 3.7.0 version, Node.js, Visual Studio Community version, Ganache, and MetaMask Chrome extension. Backend languages required are Python, JavaScript, and Solidity. Framework used is Django. Front-end languages used are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. And the hardware requirements needed are processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and ROM of 20 GB and above. So these are the requirements. Now we'll see the execution. Before execution, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is the code folder and these are the contents I have in the code folder. This is agriculture folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is agriculture app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Agriculture app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. And it also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is agriculture SOL file. So this file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through command line interface, we have created Windows batch file to execute the project. By double clicking on it, the manage.py file will be compiled. Before that, first we need to host the Ganache server. Open Ganache. I have already created the workspace. Click on it. So we can see the Ganache server has been hosted. Minimize this. Now double click on the run.bat file so that the manage.py file will be compiled. So the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost and port unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see admin login, farmer login, consumer login, and register links. If you are new to the system, we have to register ourselves first. Click on register link. We can register as either farmer or consumer. First, we'll register as farmer. So I'm selecting the user type from the drop down as farmer. Now we have to fill in these details. Username would be Ram. We have to give the password, give the contact number, give the email ID, and the address. Now click on register button. So here we can see sign up process completed and record saved in blockchain. So all these details which I have just entered, the details of farmer will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can see that in Ganache. So here we can see a block has been created just now. So in this block, all the details of farmer will be saved. So we can see the date and time at which the details have been stored. And we can see the gas used for this transaction. We can retrieve the data of the farmer from here. Now minimize this, and in the MetaMask, click on the browser extension. Here we have to give the password. So we can see I have a balance of 99.994 ETH in my MetaMask wallet, which represents the deducted amount after recent transactions. So in the context of a blockchain, transactions refer to the actions or operations that are recorded on the blockchain ledger. Now click on register here link again. Now we'll register as consumer. I'm selecting the user type as consumer. Username would be Ravi. We have to give the password, the contact number, email ID, and the address. Now click on register button. So the sign up process is completed and record saved in blockchain. All these consumer details will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can see that in Ganache. We can see the block creation. So we can see block number 12 has been created just now. We can see the date and time at which the block has been created. That is the date and time at which the details have been stored. And we can see the gas used for this transaction. Minimize this. So we have registered as a consumer and the farmer. Now we'll log in as admin. Click on the admin login link. We have to give the credentials here of admin, username and password. These are static credentials. Now click on login button. So we have logged in as admin. So here we can see add new products, update product details, view sales and logout links. Click on add new products link. Here admins can add new products to the system on behalf of farmer. So we have to select the farmer name, that is Ram. We have to enter the product name. I'm giving it as tomato. Quantity would be 100 tomatoes. Product price is 30. Product description is fresh tomatoes. Here we have to upload the product image. Click on choose file button. Select the product image and click on open. So after filling in all these details, click on add products button. So here we can see product details saved in blockchain. All these product details will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can see that in Ganache. So we can see a block has been created. Now click on update product details link. So here we can see all the details of the product which we have just added. Farmer name, product name, price, quantity, description, image, date, and the QR code. So if we want to update the quantity of the product, we can do that here. Click on the click here link. Here we can update the quantity. So I'm adding 80 tomatoes extra. Now click on submit button. So here we can see quantity details updated. We can see that in Ganache also. The updated details will be stored in a new block. We can see a block created. Click on update product details link. So here we can see previously it was 100. Now it has become 180. Click on view sales link. Here admin can view the sales, the purchases made by the customers. But we can see there are no purchases yet. There are no sales made yet. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as farmer. Click on farmer login link. We have to give the credentials of farmer here. Username is Ram. Give the correct password. and click on login button. So we have logged in as Farmer Ram. Here we can see add new products, update product details, view sales and logout links. So even farmer can add new products to the system. Click on add new products link. We have to fill in these details. Product name would be apple this time. Quantity is 12 apples, 100 rupees. Product description would be fresh Kashmiri apples. We have to upload the image of the product. Click on choose file. I'm selecting this image and click on open. Now click on add products button. So here we can see product details saved in blockchain. So we can see a new block has been created in which these details will be stored. And if we want to update the product quantity, we can do that by clicking on this update product details link. So we can update the quantity of both the products, the product added by the admin and the product which the farmer has added. By clicking on this click here link, we can update the quantity. Click on view sales link. So we can see there are no sales yet. So here farmer can view the list of sales, the purchases made by the customers. Click on logout. Now we'll log in as consumer. Click on consumer login link. Give the credentials of consumer. Username is Ravi. Give the password and click on login button. So we have logged in as consumer. So here we can see view and purchase products and logout links. Click on view and purchase products link. Here consumers can view the product details which were put on sale. So we can see all the details, farmer name, product name, price, quantity, description, image of the product, data and the QR code. By scanning this QR code, we can get the details of the product to check the authenticity of the product. And we have a click here link. By clicking on this click here link, we can purchase the product. So I'm clicking on the click here link of Apple. Here we have to fill in these details. Farmer name, product name, and product price is already given. Quantity is 24. Now click on, now we have to give the card number, the CVV number, and click on submit button. So here we can see the purchase details have been saved to blockchain. We can see the total amount. So all these details will be stored in blockchain in a form of block. We can see that in Ganache, a new block has been created. We can see the block number. We can see the date and time at which the block has been created. That is the date and time at which the details have been stored. We can see the gas details, how much gas has been used for this transaction. Minimize this. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as administrator. Click on admin link. Give the credentials of admin. We have logged in as admin. Click on view sales link. Here admin can view all the sales, the purchases made by the customers. So we can see there are two sales till now. So we can see the customer name, farmer name, product name, quantity they have bought, amount, the card details, and the purchase date. So we can see the list of purchases made by the customer here. Click on logout. Similarly, farmer can also view the sales. Click on farmer login link. We'll log in as farmer. Give the credentials of farmer here. We have logged in as farmer Ram. Click on view sales link. So even farmer can view the sales, the purchases made by the consumers. Now click on logout. So in Ganache, we can see the blocks being created for each transaction we make. Now click on any block. So here we can see the block hash, the transaction hash, gas used, gas limit, mined on, all these details. Click on transaction hash. So here we can see sender address to contract address, gas used, gas price, gas limit, mined in block 25. That means 25 blocks were created. And we can see the transaction data. Minimize this, and in my MetaMask wallet, we have to give the password here to log in. So we can see ETH balance remains unchanged after each block creation because the project's actions don't involve significant ETH transfers. This is normal as not all operations lead to substantial balance changes. So we can see very few difference here. So this project uses blockchain technology to ensure the authenticity and traceability of agricultural products. By leveraging Ethereum smart contracts, it secures product data, prevents tampering, and enhances transparency, benefiting farmers, consumers, and administrators, therefore promoting a trustworthy and efficient agricultural supply chain.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.